Hi everyone, welcome back to Voice of Crypto's daily news wrap, where we talk about all things crypto, blockchain, and Web 3.0. A quick look at the global crypto market suggests that the crypto market cap was around the 850 billion US dollar mark and appreciated by 1.74% over the last one day. Bitcoin price was up by a mere 2.17% on the daily and up by 1.89% on the weekly chart. Ethereum, on the other hand, made some pretty amazing strides in terms of price, gaining over 4% in the last 24 hours. The NB price was still down by 1.1%, while it tried to struggle despite the larger crypto market trying to recover. A look at the top altcoins like XRP, Dogecoin, Cardano, Polygon, Polkadot, and Litecoin suggested that most of these coins were gaining momentum and turned green on their one-day chart. Dogecoin made quite a lot of recovery in terms of the weekly chart. On the weekly basis, Dogecoin price was up by over 30%. Litecoin, one of the top gainers of the last week, is also back to the US dollar 78 mark and continues oscillating around that 75 US dollar price mark for the last few days. However, with the global crypto market cap gaining a bit of momentum, quite a bit of tokens appreciated in terms of price. Phantom took the top spot in the terms of daily gainers with over 12% gains in the last 24 hours. Phantom also gained over 34% over the last week. Near Protocol, which is another DeFi token, gained over 6% on the daily chart and over 6% on the weekly as well. Quant gained over 6% on the daily and around 10% on the weekly. Zcash is a privacy token and noted over 5% daily gains. Ethereum made it to the top 10 gainers in terms of daily gains by charting over 4% gains on the 24-hour price chart. Followed by Ethereum was Immutable, X's IMX token, Uniswap, and BAT, which also registered 4 to 3% daily gains. While the gains were largely limited and seemed to be more or less Bitcoin dependent as Bitcoin correlation of most of the assets rose, the market still presented interesting twists and turns that could lead to investors making a lot of gains in the short term. However, talking about twists and turns, recent on-chain data suggested that ApeCoin Treasury has been selling ape in small quantities. Some of the findings by this on-chain investigator is that they noticed a wallet of ApeCoin Treasury transfer 4.6 million ape, which was equivalent to 19.7 million US dollar at that time. A large quantity of ApeCoin tokens were transferred. Earlier, it was done from 5 ApeCoin Treasury wallets. We can see this chart right here that transfers the wallet, that shows the transfers done by the 5 wallets. These are the 5 treasury wallets of ApeCoin Treasury that transferred to various other wallets. It was transferred to Coinbase, Binance, FTX, and KuCoin wallet through this certain address for sale. Moving on, we see that around the same time there were 4 other ApeCoin Treasury wallets that use the same method to sell ape. They transferred 99.8% of the ape to a new address every time, and then saw a transfer of 0.2% of ape to exchanges for sale. This largely meant that a lot of ape tokens were being sold, and this could lead to a lot of short-term as well as long-term price implications for ApeCoin. While talking about ApeCoin, it is crucial to mention that ApeCoin did in fact register a lot of gains in the last 1 week. ApeCoin pulled itself up from the under $2, 2.6 US dollar mark, right up to the $4.3 US mark, appreciating by almost 45% in the last 1 week to 10 days. And these are pretty decent statistics for ApeCoin price. Considering this, it seemed like a lot of ApeCoin investors or long-term traders were in fact liquidating their positions. Before we end today's daily news wrap, let's take a quick look at the top losers of the day. Huobi token was still losing by 3.84%, and Huobi is another exchange. The larger chaos around exchanges, the centralized exchanges, could have led to this fall in Huobi token's price. ApeCoin is noting a pullback in terms of its daily price, and this is largely due to the recent selling of tokens that happened from the ApeCoin treasury. Followed by that was Stax's STX token and XDC Network's XDC token. This, my friends, is all in today's daily news wrap. For more such updates, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and keep following if you love our content.